How do you protect a pop-up drink stand from theft? The best way is to combine a locked cash box, a mobile card reader instead of loose cash, and a helper who watches the stand whenever you step away, so there is never a moment when money or product is unattended. Think about your drink stand like a little store that opens and closes every single day. And just like a real store, it has three main things that people might try to take, which are your cash, your supplies, and your equipment. Most theft at small stands happens fast, in just a few seconds, while the person running it is busy making a drink or talking to a customer, so the biggest risk is not a break-in overnight, it is a quick grab during business hours. A trick many vendors do not think about is using a small drop box with a slot on top for cash, instead of an open register or a jar, because it lets you accept money without ever leaving a stack of bills sitting out in the open. Another smart move is bolting your table or cart to a dolly or using a cable lock through a table leg and a nearby post, since stands left loose can be wheeled away in seconds, tent and all. At closing time, pack your syrups, cups, and any electronics into one tote that goes home with you every night, rather than leaving anything in a tent overnight, because canvas and zippers stop nobody. One mistake people make is keeping all their cash in one place, so if someone does grab it, they lose the entire day, and the fix is splitting your money between a small amount in the drop box and the rest tucked away out of sight in a bag on your body. Another common issue is not knowing your helpers well, since insider theft happens more than people admit. So a quick tip is doing a simple cash count together at the start and end of each shift so everyone is accountable. Lastly, many vendors forget to photograph their setup and serial numbers on equipment like blenders or generators, and having those photos ready makes police reports and insurance claims so much faster, if something does go missing. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.